Hello guys, this is AppWiz. So how to find trending songs on Instagram. In today's video, I'll show you how to find trending songs on Instagram so you can use them in your reels and stories to boost engagement. So make sure to watch till the end and let's get started. First, open Instagram on your phone and ensure you're logged into your account. Tap the search icon at the bottom to access the search bar. Now type the name of a song you think might be trending. Once the search results appear, navigate to the audio section to see a list of available songs. Here you'll find different tracks. Look for a small arrow pointing upwards next to a song. This arrow indicates that the song is currently trending. To preview the song, tap on it. If you want to use the audio in your reel, tap on Use Audio and it will open the Reels editor with the song ready to go. And that's how you can easily find and use trending songs on Instagram. Keeping up with trends can help your content get more views and engagement. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more useful videos. Also drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I will see you soon.